Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with explosive launches. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Starfighters Space, ticker FJET, the world's only commercial operator of supersonic F-104 starfighter jets, capable of sustained Mach 2 flights for suborbital satellite launches and advanced R&D from Cape Canaveral. Huge news. Yesterday, December 18th, Starfighters completed its Reg A IPO, raising $40 million, and began trading on NYSE American under FJET. The debut was epic. Shares opened around $10 and rocketed to highs near $18, closing up over 290% at $14.09 on massive volume exceeding 7 million shares. This positions Starfighters as a unique player in commercial space access with capabilities no other private company matches. With retail buzz and space sector heat, FJET is off to a blazing start. Momentum play or long-term space bet? Comment your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or caution. Like for more IPO and space stock alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Go out there and make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.